Hello, hello. Summer is just around the corner. Literally, tomorrow is the first official day of summer 2020. And I don't know about you, but I'm super excited. It's summer, and I love the summer. So today, for the live keto show, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make your very own very summer infused water drink. I just together, and we do drinks like that quite often, especially in the summer times. So since summer is tomorrow officially, I wanted to put together this awesome recipe with you guys, for you guys. It's 100% keto, and I used picked fresh herbs from the garden and fresh strawberries. Well, my son and my husband picked these to so I can put this recipe together and show you guys. It's really easy, really quick, and you can make infused water any time of the year. And like I said, it's 100% keto. You don't have to worry about hidden sugars, preservatives, anything like that. The thing going bad, you can make it exactly how you want it. And you just need a few things. So like I showed you, you're going to your fruits, whatever fruits you're going to use. I'm going to use these strawberries that we just picked from the garden. Look how good that looks. Oh my gosh. And these herbs that I just picked from the garden. If you follow along with me on my stories, the Facebook stories or Instagram stories, you've probably seen me picking these. And we are going to need something to smash it. Mortar and pesto, sorry. A cup. Or if you want to make a whole picture of it, you can, but I'm going to show you guys in your water of choice. So you can either use tonic water, sparkling water, or even filtered water. Just, from your sink, but filtered. Well, you don't have to use one of these. If you don't like the pieces of herbs and stuff getting in your straw, then you're probably going to want one, or drinking it. I don't mind, but I'm just going to show you guys. We usually use this for like tea and stuff. So I have vanilla, I have original, gosh. So here's the diced strawberries. You can cut up as many of them as you want. I'm gonna probably put about 3, no more, because these strawberries we picked from our garden are so sweet. It's kind of overwhelming. Good overwhelming, but kind of overwhelming. So maybe I don't even need the stevia. Here you go. Here's the sliced strawberries. Whoop, that fell out. And I'm going to go ahead and fell into the cup. So I'm going to go ahead and put the rest of them in the cup. First ingredient. Now you can use raspberries, blackberries, blueberries, whatever keto fruit, low carb fruit that you have that you enjoy. You can smash them or cut them up, and that would be your first fruit. Alright, and now we're going to go ahead and move on to these herbs that I just picked from the garden. We have thyme, we have basil, we have a little bit of sage. There's 4 different ones in here, 2 types of basil. They smell really good. Oh, and I was going to use lavender, but my lavender is not ready yet. So for herbs, you just pretty much pick off the leaves of them. Put them in there. Do all of them. Strawberry lavender tea sounds really, really good. And putting them in here, unfortunately, I can't really show you guys me putting it in here. And just go ahead and pick it off. I'm gonna pick the next one. I am the next one. Here we go. Meow, 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 meow. Okay. And last one. These little small ones. I might just take the whole stem with me as well. So, nothing fresher, nothing better than straight from your garden. And this can be super easy. They are super easy to do. You can buy, I'm going to smash it as I talk to you. You can buy pre-made herbs that are already growing from the produce section. Usually they put it in the produce section of produce, of the grocery store. they'll pop like a little stand, and you can buy it pretty much year round and just grow it on your windowsill. So we just kind of got some more recently, summer starts recently. We got more rosemary and more basil. There's so many different types of basil out there, and that smells really good. The flavor is really starting to open up as I smash these. Do that. If you don't have a little mortar and pestle kit like this, you can just kind of chop it up, dice it up with a knife. But I really like to smash them because it kind of extracts the oils, I feel like, a little bit more better. So it's really, really opening up that flavor, the essence of these herbs right here. Okay. So that smells good, and you can kind of see, I don't know if you can see it, but you can see like the oils and the essence from the herbs on this part as well. So I'm just gonna go ahead, take this, dump that in there. There you go. We got 2 ingredients straight from the garden. This is gonna be good. This is always good. Okay. And I want some vanilla, although I don't need it any sweeter because I can still smell that strawberry, but I'm just going to put a few drops of this stevia. And this is a if you are really looking for a sweetener, I would recommend trying a stevia. This is a great low carb sweetener. It comes in a bunch of flavors. It doesn't elevate blood sugar levels. It keeps everything nice and steady. It comes from a plant as well, the stevia plant. There's a really long name for it, as there are for all living things, but I don't remember that off the top of my head. So I'm just going to put a few drops. There we go. There, that vanilla is going to work really well with the strawberries. Okay, and I'm just going to pour my water in. Now again, like I said earlier, you can use any water. So if you like sparkling drinks, if you like regular filtered water, if you like tonic water, I'm just going to just put some tonic water since I got it out. So tonic water has a lot of great stuff in it for you as well. That's fun. You just pour it in, bubbles, it's fun, it's good, it looks like summer in a drink. And that's what we want it to look like. That's why it's called the Strawberry Summer Infused Water Drink. And this water is already cold, but I'm gonna go ahead and pop in an ice cube. And look at my ice cubes, they're circles. I'm just gonna go ahead and pop that in. Oh, that looks so good. I need a spoon now. Okay, I got a spoon. I'm gonna stir it. Now, the longer you let this sit, the herbs, the fruits, the more it infuses. And if you let it infuse overnight, you're really going to get that flavor opening up the next day. Or if you don't want to wait the whole night, you can just drink it like this. I'm going to drink it like this. It's already good. Or you can also heat it on a warm heat, a low heat. You don't want to put the heat too high, or else you're going to lose all the benefits of what is in this stuff. A lot of benefits, minerals, vitamins, nutrients burn off when you use too high of a heat. So just put it on like the lowest setting you can, and let it sit there for a few minutes, and then put it in your drink. But you will have to let it sit after you make it. You won't be able to drink it right away because it will be warm. This one, I can just go ahead and drink right away. Look at how, I don't know if you guys can see it. Oh my gosh. Look at how good that looks. Right? Summer in a drink. Seriously. That is good. And all of this. My husband, my son, Darnell, you might have seen some of my past videos. They picked these strawberries yesterday evening. I picked these herbs from the garden on my stories. If you follow my stories, you've probably seen me pick them. And I just came on and I did this video with you guys. I just picked these like 10 minutes before the video started. So I'm super excited to make this. This is a great drink. You can drink it any time of the year. It's 100% keto. You don't have to worry about elevated blood sugar levels, additional hidden preservatives. You don't have to worry about any of that. You can make it exactly to your flavor. You can put any keto fruits. You can put any herbs that you like. You can even put a little bit of spices, like if you want cinnamon, if you want turmeric, all of that good stuff. Enjoyed this video. I don't know if you guys can see my pot back there, but we're boiling down chicken broth right back there. So if you guys want to know how to make your own keto chicken broth, because they're pretty expensive from the store, especially organic, let me know and I will put that together. My father-in-law taught me how, and I will teach you guys how. I hope you guys have a great day, and I hope you really enjoyed this recipe. I love making live keto recipes with you guys because they are super easy. And some people think keto is hard, but it's not. I made this live with you. Have a great day. Enjoy your summer. It starts officially tomorrow, and I will see you in the next live video or in my stories this weekend.